Over the years, the Ford Transit has been one of the favorite vans among customers. Recently, the company announced the release of a passenger car version of the Ford Transit, the all-new 2023 Ford Tourneo Custom. It will be a game changer as it is going to be offered in an all-electric version, with the people-carrying version of the best-selling Transit Custom set to go on sale in mid-2023. So, why are fans going mad for the new Ford Tourneo? The 2023 Tourneo Custom was initially revealed by Ford Pro, the company's new commercial vehicle division. They have revealed some important details about the vehicle prior to its launch. It will come with electric, PHEV, and diesel powertrains, the same as the Ford Transit. The company officials announced that after the release of the Ford Tourneo, the Ford S-Max and the Galaxy MPVs will be discontinued from the Ford lineup. This tells us that the Ford Tourneo Custom will be the perfect fit for families that are looking for a practical multi-seater, with more space than an average SUV can provide. The all-electric Tourneo Custom comes with the same battery and motor technology as the Transit Custom, with a maximum range of 230 miles, fast charging, and space for up to 8 passengers. The Ford Tourneo Custom will come with a 74 kilowatt battery and 160 kilowatt motor. Due to the extra weight of the components required for carrying passengers, the Ford Tourneo's overall range is 6 miles less than the Transit Custom. However, at a maximum range of 230 miles, it is still better than the 143 miles range of vehicles such as the Peugeot e-Traveler and Vauxhall Vivaro Electric Life, and the 213 miles range of the Mercedes-Benz EQV. The Ford Tourneo's battery is connected to a 215 bhp electric motor that drives the front wheels, and one-pedal driving is on offer. The battery comes with a wide range of charging options, including an 11 kilowatt AC 3-phase charger that gets from 0 to 100% in 8 hours. It is also capable of hooking up to a 125 kilowatt DC fast charger, which can get the battery from 15 to 80% in just 41 minutes. Like the Ford Transit Custom, the Tourneo will come with Ford's Pro Power onboard system, which allows the passenger to plug devices into sockets in the front cabin. These sockets deliver up to 2.3 kilowatt that can also support bigger devices such as tools or camping equipment. All powertrains have a towing capacity of up to 2 tons, but the diesel version can lug brake trailers weighing an additional 500 kilograms. The all-new 2023 Ford Tourneo Custom and e-Tourneo Custom have excellent payload capacities, which places them ahead of their rivals like the Volkswagen ID Buzz and electric vans such as the Citroën e-Space Tourer and the Vauxhall Vivaro Life Electric. The Tourneo Custom will come with seats for up to 9 occupants in its diesel and plug-in hybrid versions, whereas the electric model is an 8-seater because it sacrifices one of the front row seats. When Ford announced the all-new Ford Tourneo, they specified that the vehicle will come with the standard and long wheelbase models, both offering full 3 rows of seating. The Ford Tourneo Custom offers a flexible track-mounted seating system in the rear of the cabin, allowing the second and third rows of seats to be configured in a variety of ways. The tracks below the seats allow you to slide the seats forward and backward. The second row seats can be moved one at a time, while the third row is a toe/one-seat split. Moreover, the Ford Tourneo Custom will have lighter seats than the Ford Transit, and they can be lifted out easily. The second row seats feature integrated seat belts, which means they can be spun around to create a conference-style layout with passengers all facing one another. In case you have more babies than usual, the Ford Tourneo has up to 5 ISOFIX points on all 3 seats in the middle row and the 2 outer seats in the third row. The Tourneo Custom will have several other features that were initially found on the van version, including the tilting steering wheel that turns into a small table or a laptop/tablet holder. It will also have the steering column mounted gear shifter on the automatic models, which frees up more space lower down in the cabin and helps getting in and out easier. Moreover, the front passenger airbag is placed on the roof rather than the dashboard, which increases the overall storage space. The all-new Ford Tourneo Custom features a digital key system that allows you to access the vehicle using a key similar to a hotel key card. This concept is mainly for families who have more than one driver using the vehicle, or for those who need a waterproof key while going out in the rain or doing water sports. The doors can be opened in a hands-free manner by kicking out at a sensor next to the front wheel. Some other features that are new in the Ford Tourneo include an integrated side step, tri-zone air conditioning, a 14-speaker Bang & Olufsen stereo system, wireless charging for devices, and heated outer seats in the second row. All of these can be powered by the Ford Tourneo Custom's dry battery. Do you know what trims are available for the new Ford Tourneo Custom? Although the full details of the different models are not confirmed for the UK market, Ford has announced that the possible range will include Active, Sport, and Titanium X versions, with very little fundamental change from the outgoing version. The Titanium X version is set to be the most well-equipped Tourneo to date, with a kit including 19-inch alloys, LED lighting, and synthetic leather upholstery. The company has also confirmed that all the versions will be available with each of the different powertrains, so there will be loads of different configuration options to pick from. The plug-in hybrid version will also have an option of 3 different diesel engines with a choice of 136 horsepower, 150 horsepower, and 170 horsepower. The customers will be asked to either select a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic gearbox before buying the Ford Tourneo Custom. Along with different engines, there will also be a choice of an all-wheel drive version for the first time. This will be offered with the 136 horsepower and 170 horsepower diesel engines, and only in combination with the automatic gearbox. Customers who want the manual gearbox would be capable of adding a mechanical limited slip differential to the 150 horsepower and 170 horsepower diesel. The plug-in hybrid model uses a 2.5-liter petrol engine, along with a motor and battery combo that is capable of an electric-only range of 31 miles. The 2023 Ford Tourneo Custom will also get a redesigned chassis with an independent rear suspension setup that is standard across the range. There are plenty of safety features offered on the Tourneo Custom for the first time, including adaptive cruise control with lane centering, reverse brake assist, park assist, and a 360-degree camera, all available. With the help of a standard fit 5G model, the Ford Pro has also decided to offer plenty of connectivity options. The owners can now lock and unlock their vehicles remotely, check fuel levels, and book servicing and maintenance through a smartphone app. The dashboard of the Ford Tourneo is quite interesting too, but the most notable option you will find is a 13-inch infotainment touchscreen that runs on Ford's Sync 4, which is basically a cloud-connected in-car communication and entertainment system. The company has done its best to emphasize utility this time. However, they have not yet revealed how much a customer will have to spend to get this vehicle. Ford plans to announce the retail prices and equipment details right before the market launch. It is still March 2023, and we hope to hear from them soon. The Tourneo Custom is being made alongside the Transit Custom in Turkey, and we hope that it will be available at a similar time to the regular van version. The first batch of vehicles is expected to roll out in the markets for sale in mid-2023. Until then, the Ford Transit will remain popular amongst customers. If you want to consider more options for a minivan, click the video on the screen to watch the 2023 Honda Odyssey.